There is no fixed answer for any question in case study exam. It's your thought process. How you are analyzing a situation, how you are practical in dealing with that situation, because for any question when you write answer, there is nothing anywhere written in any book for case study exam. ये question है, इसका answer nowhere written. When the institutes are writing the answers, CIMA, ACCA model answers, then they are saying, we are not receiving any challenge from anybody in the world on the basis of the model answer. Nobody can challenge. They are saying, this is not the only answer which is possible. You may have a different opinion, different logic, different justification, which is related with the question requirement, which is related with the scenario, which is not covered in the model answer. You will be given due credit for your answer. You will be given proper marks for your answer. Don't take tension that it is not written in the model answers. That is written by the institute before writing the model answers. That means it's an open-ended exam.